So this is a leash. Sit. So this is a leash, and a leash, while putting your dog on leash, there's somewhere this corner. So you take your leash have to be this way. Just put in, then you take your dog. Remember to obey the law. Hold your dog on this level. So lay down, stay, 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 stay. Down, down. Come on.
I'm inspired by thirst. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You
So we were saying, no, behave. I want you to behave. No, behave. Stay. No. So remember I told you to like have something to hold in so that you can put in your neck collar. This is called the neck collar. This is a neck collar. So for example, I don't have the thing to put in and have it just hanged up like this one. So I will simply hold it like this. I pass in like this. So then I say, sit, come here, Django, come on, down. Then I use this. Then it's on the leash right now. So sit up, stay, wait. So this is the way I'm taking my two dogs. I will have to hold my dogs on this level. Then we start to move. So remember the choking neck. This way. Stay back. Stay back.